Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I want to invite you all to join me with the Useful DIY Challenge November 2020. Festival season is here and this month's theme is to create anything for the holidays that you think is useful, that you would like to use and need in your home for the holidays. So it can be anything. It can be something for the home organization for the holidays, maybe a tray, maybe a shelf, anything like that. It can even be a decor item. It can be any useful item, maybe something like a pillow cover, duvet cover, or maybe some canister for maybe some DIY for your coffee bar or chocolate bar or anything, any snacks bar, anything that you think is something which is useful for your home, for yourself, that you would like to have especially for the holidays, you can make it. So that's the theme of this month's Useful DIY Challenge. My this month's co-host is Fanny from the channel Creations by Fabi. She is a beautiful person, her very talented. I have seen lots of her videos. I came to know her recently and I really liked her channel. Her DIYs, they are beautiful. So do visit Fanny's channel. I'll put a link to her channel above in the cards above as well as in the description box of this video. I want to thank Fanny for co-hosting this month's challenge with me. So there are a variety of DIY videos on her channel and I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. Let's get on with the rules of this month's challenge. So in the title of your video, use the words Useful DIY NOV 2020. You must be subscribed to both the host channels, that is MomDas Life Handmade and Creations by Fabi. In your video and also in the description box of your video, do mention the name of the host and the channels, that is Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, Fanny from Creations by Fabi, and also mention the playlist and give the link to the playlist in your description box so that more people can get to know about the challenge and can visit each and every video in the challenge. This is a DIY video, so obviously you must show us the process, how you started and what you made and how you're going to use it in your home during the holidays. And the upload date and time for this month is going to be 16th November at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Just Google to know what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It will show you the conversion in your local time. I hope you will come up with lots of new ideas, special ideas for the holidays. They are brilliant and really want to know more how I can use them in my home. So I really wish that you all join us on the 16th of November at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time with your useful holiday DIYs for this season, for this year 2020. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy.